Hey, welcome back to WP Club's YouTube channel. Running a salon or beauty parlor means constantly managing appointments. What if your WordPress website could handle all of that automatically? That is why in today's video we are going to review the BookingPress WordPress plugin. So let's get started. So what is BookingPress? BookingPress is a WordPress appointment booking plugin designed for service-based businesses like salons, spas, beauty parlors, and wellness centers. Instead of managing appointments manually, BookingPress lets your customers to book services online, choose their preferred staff member, select available time slots, and even pay for appointments directly on your website. For business owners, it provides powerful tools like scheduling, automated notifications, payment integrations, and booking analytics. So it's essentially an all-in-one booking management system for your WordPress site. Now let's see how it works. After successfully installing and activating the plugin, the first step is to create the services that clients will book. So inside your WordPress dashboard, go to the BookingPress and select the services. Before adding services, you can create service categories. For example, hair services, nail treatments, facial and skincare, and more. So once the category is created, click on the Add New Service. Here, you can define a service name, category, duration of the appointment, price, and add a description if needed. For example, haircut 30 minutes for $15 or facial treatment 16 minutes for $60. Now let's click on the Save button. Once saved, these services will appear in your booking system and will be available for customers to select when making an appointment. One of the advantages here is that BookingPress allows unlimited services and flexible appointment durations, which makes it perfect for salons offering many different treatments. Now we need to allow customers to actually book appointments from the website. To do that, go to the Pages section, click on the Add New button and create a page like Book an Appointment. Inside the editor, insert the BookingPress booking form. You can do this by clicking the BookingPress button in the editor or by adding the shortcode. Now let's click on the Publish. And once the page is published, visitors will see a step-by-step booking wizard where they can choose a service, select available date and time, enter their details, and of course confirm the appointment. This simple booking wizard makes the process very intuitive for customers. Now let's see what actually happens when a customer books an appointment. In the admin panel, go to the BookingPress and click on the Appointment section. Here you will see the complete list of scheduled appointments. Also here you can search appointments by customer name or service, filter appointments by date range or status, add notes for specific bookings, and edit or reschedule appointments if needed. If a customer wants to change their booking, you can easily update the time or service directly from the appointment editor. BookingPress also prevents double booking, meaning the same time slot cannot be booked twice. You can even manually create appointments from the admin panel if a client calls your salon to book by a phone. BookingPress also provides a helpful dashboard overview to track your business performance. Inside BookingPress, let's go to the dashboard. Here we can view total appointments, approved or pending bookings, total revenue generated, number of customers, and of course, staff members and upcoming appointments. Here we can also make filtrations. So you can filter this data by time periods like today, this week, this month, or custom date ranges. This plugin also displays graphs for appointments, revenue, and customers, helping salon owners quickly understand how their business is performing. Finally, you can customize the booking form to match your salon's brand and collect the information you need. So inside the BookingPress plugin, select the Customize section. You can adjust things like booking form layout, colors and typography, field labels, and booking steps. You can also add custom fields to collect additional information from clients. For example, their preferred stylist, special request, or hair type, or treatment notes. This flexibility allows you to create a personalized booking experience that matches your website design. So now when a customer visits your booking page, they select a service like a haircut or manicure, choose an available date and time, enter their contact details, and confirm the appointment. Once the booking is completed, it instantly appears in your BookingPress dashboard, where you can manage appointments, track revenue, and communicate with your clients. And that's it. Now you can create a fully functional booking website using the WordPress BookingPress plugin. If you want to try it yourself, all the links are in descriptions below. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tips and tricks.